You always want to open these boxes carefully because you may have to send it back. It may be damaged, and you want it to be as in good a condition as possible. So the delivery driver warned us that the blue dye of the box can come off and it can stain things like carpets. So we're going to remove the inner contents here, the mattress itself, still bubble wrapped, downstairs. Lean it on the ground. So I'm lifting up the end here. It's not too difficult, just so I'm not carrying the whole weight. And now I've got to shuffle this out. Well. Okay, so I've carried that upstairs. It's 18 kilos, and although I'm 6 foot, that's really as much as I want to carry. I wouldn't want to carry more than that. So if you have got someone to help you, that's something I wouldn't say don't do. So the first thing you've got to do is get off this kind of cling film. I found the end. The guy who wrapped this has been a bit extra generous with the wrapping, so it's made my job a bit more difficult. So the cling film, as I call it, all it's doing is keeping it wrapped up. The mattress is still in its own plastic bubble. The first thing we want to make sure now, before we break the seal, is that the mattress is the right way up. It wouldn't be the end of the world if it wasn't. You just have to flip it over, but why not get it right? So it's white on top, and this darker material on the bottom. Now, what's slightly confusing is the very bottom. The very bottom of the mattress is white, but you can see that's different. You see that's sealed by that edge there. So this is the cutter they supply. You can use scissors, but this is designed to minimize the risk of actually cutting into your mattress. The air's already going in. You see that's cutting quite nicely. So this is the vacuum pack. It's staying well away from the mattress. Fact is, I'm now going to tear it. I don't need that cutter. That cutter's a bit of a gadget, really. I'm just tearing it by hand. So I'm folding it over. Out comes the plastic. So I'm going to get roughly in position. There's a slight smell of new mattress. That's it. I'm just going to leave that. I think the job's done now. I've got to come back when that's fully decompressed.